Hi, in this video, we're going to show you a way to speed up the load times for your startup apps in Windows. So if you have some programs that are set to start up with Windows when you log in automatically, you might have noticed that they take their time starting up. So that's because of the way Windows handles these startup apps. It wants to make sure all your other processes and everything else are running first. But there is a way to speed that up. So if we do Windows key R for run and type in shell:startup, we can see that we have Word, this Quick Look, and Acrobat set to start up with Windows. So let's do a quick reboot here, and then we'll see how long it takes for these apps to load once we log into the computer. All right, so I'm going to pause the video here after I shut down, then I'll just be back at the login screen. Okay, so we're at the login screen here, so we'll put in the PIN, and we'll just wait and see how long it takes for these apps to open. All right, so there's Adobe Acrobat, and here comes Word. All right, so that was a nice little wait there. Let's close these out. Okay, so now what we're going to do to speed that up is we're going to use the free Windhawk app, and we're going to install a particular mod here that'll help with this process. So if you don't know what Windhawk is, it's a free tool you install, and then you install what are known as mods into Windhawk, and then these mods can change the way Windows looks and functions. So let's open it up here. So when you open it, you'll have your home section here, and you'll be able to see all your installed mods and whether they're enabled or disabled. And then down here you have some featured mods or recommended mods. And then we have the Explore section where you could browse mods here, filter and sort, and also search from the search box here. All right, so the one we're going to be using is called Startup App Delay Fix. So once you find it here, click on Details. You'll get an idea of what it does here. And then we'll click on Install. And then you'll always get this warning here for any mod that you install in Windhawk. So we'll just click on Accept, Risk, and Install. All right, so now if we go back home, we can see we have it running here and it's enabled, so we could disable it here, remove it from here, go to details, do the same thing, disable and remove. And this one doesn't have any settings. Most of the Windhawk apps usually have some type of settings, but this one's pretty simple here. All right, so it tells you what it does here. Okay, so now that we have this running here, let's go ahead and reboot again and see how long it takes for these apps to start up. All right, so we're at the login screen here, so we'll put it in the PIN and see how long it takes. All right, so there's Adobe and there's Word. So definitely faster. You know, it's not instant, of course, but it was definitely faster than it was before. And of course, the more apps you have set in your startup, the longer it's probably going to take as well. So if you are using Windhawk, this might be a good one to check out. Not sure if it's worth going through the hassle of installing Windhawk just for this, unless you are super concerned about how fast your apps start up. All right, so going back to Windhawk here. So once again, just install Windhawk, do a search for Startup App Delay Fix. In the Explore section here in the search box, click on Details and Install, and that's all there is to it. And then on a side note for Windhawk, it needs to be running here in your system tray in order for your mods to stay working. So if they ever stop working, just come here and check to make sure it's running down there. And if it's not, just open Windhawk again and it should put it back in the system tray. And then Windhawk should also be set to boot up with your computer so you don't have to worry about starting it every time you log in. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.